chairpersons meet, and it could be this afternoon or maybe tomorrow. And when they meet, the chairman of the House Appropriations Committee will submit to our chairman the list of additional or new amendments. Because we all know that ideally, ang bicameral conference, tinatake lang yung disagreeing provisions, di ba? Andyan na yung Senate version, andyan na yung House version, but the discussion is not limited to both versions. So mabuti na yung, kaya I manifested for transparency rin, they will submit to us through our chairman all the new amendments not yet included in the House version. In the same manner, we will also submit to them new amendments not included in the Senate version. And we'll study, we'll refer back to our House, they refer back to their House, and we will at least malilimit na lang namin do sa mga contentious na mga amendments or issues and discussion. Para hindi sabog.
Parang meron, sir, na amendment.
I suppose, lagi naman nangyayari ganyan. Hindi limitado do sa version nila at version namin. Talagang karamihan pa ng mga bagong amendments nangyayari sa BICAM.